everybody, I'm at CVS right now. I'm gonna here get my 2 freebies and a couple other deals. I feel like this week is not the greatest. It's not so hot. Sorry, I'm gonna adjust my camera real quick. But otherwise, I'm here to share with you guys some deals, get some, hopefully some money makers, but let's go inside and have fun. I did have an update on my phone recently, so I'm hoping maybe that update maybe helps with this app working in the store. I don't know, we will see. But let's go inside and have some fun. So this is the freebie from yesterday, as in Saturday, that I did. What I'm having a hard time with is the app not working. So I just clicked on shop this deal and then I just looked and saw what it qualifies for. So I'm gonna get this item absolutely free. Sunday's freebie is the I can't even pronounce it all of a sudden, or the ibuprofen. So I just typed in free and it says a 50 count. So we're gonna get this item absolutely free. The Kotex is 2 for $8, and then we have a 4 off of 2 insert coupon that you will want to use. You'll end up paying $4 for this, but then there is a $2 extra care buck that you will get, making these just $2 or $1 each. But I actually have a deal with Fetch Rewards where I just need to spend $7.06 left to get 200 or 2,500 points. But that means I cannot pay with extra care bucks to do this deal. So what I'm gonna do is buy these, do not pay with extra care bucks, and I'll get an additional $2.50 back. So that ends up becoming a 50-cent moneymaker. The General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.99 this week. I actually got some dollar off of 2 coupons that I got from buying a box of cereal a while back. So I'm gonna use 2, if I do this deal, I'm gonna do 2 of the dollar off 2 coupons. I also have a 3 off of 12 general or cereal CRT that I can use too. Pay $6.94, but then there's an Ibotta deal where you get 25 cents with a limit of 5, so you get $1.25 back with Ibotta. And if you guys haven't known this already, General Mills has a reward program where if you buy 2 of any General Mills products, you get 500 points, which is 50 cents. So it comes out to be 6 boxes, come out to be $5.19, or just 86 cents each. Here we have the Nivea Lotion for $6.29. Now in my app, I actually have 2 different coupons. I have a 3 off of 10 lotion coupon that I'm going to use, and then I have a $2.50 off CRT that I will be using. You'll pay $7.08, but then you get that $5 extra care buck for buying 2 of them, making it $2.08 or $1.04 each. So I'm getting the CoverGirl whatever. I'm getting the CoverGirl Exhibitionist, can't even say it all of a sudden, for $12.49, and then I'm getting a regular one for $6.99. I'm going to use 2 $3 off insert coupons that we got from our inserts last week. I also have a 1 free cosmetic up to $5. I have a $4 off CoverGirl CRT, and then I have a Beauty Club mobile for $2 off the mascara. So I will end up paying just $2.48 for those 2 items, but then I get a $6 extra care buck for buying 2 of them, making both of those a $3.52 moneymaker. Hey everybody, I'm back. I quickly did a quick CVS haul just because it's not the greatest deals this week, but there's some easy freebies, easy moneymakers that you definitely want to do. So the first deal I did was the Kotex deal. These were 2 for $8, and I used a 4 off of 2 insert coupon. You guys would pay $4 for the both of these, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these $2 or just $1 each. I did submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and it said I had, it was wonky with it, and I had to like review it, but once I get my, I haven't got approved yet, but once I get my approval, I should get 200 or 2,500 points with this. That's an extra $2.50 back with Fetch Rewards. So this will make it a 50-cent moneymaker for these. Funny thing is, like, I was asking, I think I did a haul a couple weeks ago, you guys, and I was just gonna roll up this window a little bit. I was asking about the Tampax and Kotex on why we don't get coupons anymore for it. And one of you guys mentioned that there is a shortage on tampons, and I didn't realize it until I did know that there was a shortage, but I never put 2 and 2 together. Well, now my store in CVS actually has a sign on it that says there is like a shortage on it, and there is a limit of 2 tampons per person, per customer or whatever. And I'm like, wow, I never realized that. Like, you know, I'm glad I have like a stockpile with what I have, but it's just like, it's crazy how there is a shortage on tampons. Like, yeah, I just can't believe it. This was Saturday's easy freebie. This was $2.99. Got this for free. I'm pretty excited. I don't know what the difference is. They have the comfort picks and then they have the advanced picks. I'm like, what's the diff? But we'll use these. We'll use these. I should need to use those more. I mean, I get all this stuff for free and I coupon for it, and I'm like, why not use it more? We got some acetylcholine. Basically Tylenol. This was $6.99, and I got this for my easy freebie for today. Pretty excited. Actually, earlier this week I actually got to use my Care Pass. I haven't used my Care Pass since COVID. I used like the free money that I get every month, but I haven't done like the free shipping in forever. So I was actually excited. I got Band-Aids, which they're still on their way, and then I got the triple antibiotic ointment. So I was excited to get that. So I got that. I ended up getting the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. This was $12.49, and then I got the regular mascara for $6.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons. I had a 5 off of any cosmetic CRT. I had a $4 off CoverGirl CRT, and then I had a $2 off for the Exhibitionist blah 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 blah. Yeah. CRT. So I paid $2.48, but then you get a $6 extra care buck back for this, making these $3.52 money makers. So you get these absolutely for free, and you make a profit. Yes. And that feels like this is the last item that I got. I ended up getting the Nivea body wash, or the Nivea lotion. These were $6.29, and I had a 3 off of 10 CRT, and then I had a $2.50 off CRT. Paid $7.08 for this, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making this $2.08 or $1 for each, which is a pretty great deal. When my receipt printed off, I actually got a $1.91 for rewards. I'm assuming that's like the 2%. I don't know why, it just decided to print off for me, even though I've been adding it up in my app. So I got that today, and then I also will be getting my free beauty club item next week. So I got that. And then the app. So the app worked 50% of the time. It worked a lot better this time around than last time. I think maybe that update did help it. I have to be more in the center of the store for the thing to work than the outside of the store, but it did work a lot better than before. So happy about that, but let's keep complaining and get that app fixed. I was talking to Llewellyn yesterday or the day before, and she was having problems with the app too. So I don't know, but hopefully they get their app fixed. So my grand total came to $7.57. I ended up using $7 worth of extra care bucks. I did use 2, but one of them didn't take, and then they just gave it back to me. And then I ended up receiving $13 worth of extra care bucks back. I will be receiving 2,500 points from Fetch Rewards. Still waiting on the approval for that, but that is $2.50. So my grand total was 93-cent moneymaker. I got everything today for free, which I'm pretty excited for. I was gonna do the cereal deal, but I wanted to get Honey Nut Cheerios. My kids have been really into eating Honey Nut Cheerios, and my store was sold out, so I decided not to go ahead and do that deal. But otherwise, that is a great cereal deal. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. I'm asking you to please subscribe to my channel. I love sharing with you guys deals. I mostly do couponing deals. I do other things, some family vlogs. I do taste testing. There's a couple taste test videos that I need to post and I want to post soon. So you guys will definitely have to check that out. But thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's have some fun saving some money in another week. See you guys later. Bye-bye.